Today, we're taking a look at a 12-foot tall work of 14th century art to define the art term polyptych. A polyptych refers to a painting comprised of 4 or more panels, like this elaborate altarpiece commissioned by the politically influential Jean Filiazzi family. In the late Middle Ages, patrons began to decorate altars in churches with increasingly complex and spectacular works of art. This piece was commissioned for a church called Santa Trinita, which was frequented by many of Florence's most prominent families. It was created by a team of artists led by Ceni da Francesco around the 14th century. In general, the format of altarpieces varied greatly. Some had wings and could be closed over a central image like a book. Others, like Ceni's, had multiple parts and are known as polyptychs. The panels on polyptychs may be hinged or arrayed in a fixed frame, which allowed for easier placement on an altar and large-scale displays. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell if you liked this video, and leave us a comment if there's any other art terms you'd like us to cover.